north central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 4 a.m. At 2:54 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located from near Grapevine to Arlington to Mansfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Irving, Cedar Hill State Park and Cedar Hill around 3 a.m., Highland Park, University Park and Addison around 3:10 a.m., Dallas around 3:20 a.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside.